DocuSign Payments is a fast, easy way to request payments and signatures in just one step. We want to help you get paid sooner, free up time to spend on growing your business, and deliver a superior customer experience. Payments can be used in any situation where money changes hands and an agreement is signed. Contractor services, rental agreements, event registrations, purchase orders, the list is practically endless. And it works just as easily as any other DocuSign e-signature feature. First, you select your agreement and recipient. Then drag and drop the payment tag and specify the payment type, whether it's for a one-time payment or a recurring payment, the payment gateway, and the payment method. Select the currency in which you'd like to process your payment, and indicate the amount owed, which will be collected at the time of signing. It's that easy. You can also quickly set up recurring payments or future one-off charges, such as for monthly fees or late fees. And finally, add the signature tag and hit send. Signers receive an email notification to review and sign the agreement and can input their payment information as part of that same signing experience. Easily signing and paying securely from any device, almost anywhere. DocuSign Payments is integrated with your leading payment gateways to give your customers the ability to make payments with any major credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and ACH payments. For your customers, it's fast and convenient. For you, it eliminates the cost, delays, and non-payment risks of manual billing. DocuSign Payments and DocuSign e-signature, an easy and secure way to get paid faster.